Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology was founded in 1956, and the foundation stone was laid down by President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. This is the Directorate building of the institute, which includes all the administrative offices. This set of 3 buildings include Department of Computer Science, Central Library, and lecture theaters. Computer Science Department has 6 different floors, namely Level 0, Level 1, Level 2, 3, 4, and 5. Total area of the Learning Center is 60,000 meters square. It has been designed and developed by McLaw Mulvin Architects and Design Plus Associate Services from Ireland. During the years 2021 and 2020, this building is also a winner of multiple international awards, such as the Plan Awards from Italy for overall winner, the Royal Institute of the Architects of Ireland, and Architectural Association of Ireland, to name a few. The office of 120 faculty members are housed in the CSED building. The faculty and staff has been provided with a comfortable office, which is equipped with all necessary equipments such as Wi-Fi connection, LAN connection, printer, laptop, desktop, book rack, and cupboards. Meeting space is available in each of the faculty offices. 2 escalators are available for the staff and students in the CSED building. Multiple fire extinguishers and a centralized sprinkling system, along with a ramp from the 2nd floor, level 2 of the building to the ground floor, has been constructed for any emergency or disaster management. The working and safety guidelines posters have been displayed in the building.